Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bunny with glasses. So here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my pencil. At the beginning, I will draw a frame. I'm using my black pen to draw the bunny. Here's its head and long ear. Now let's draw his glasses. It has a big nose. And a big smiley face. Here's its tongue. Here's its hand. And here's another one. It's showing thumbs up. Let's draw the frame with my black pen. My drawing is done. Let's do the coloring. For coloring the frame, I'm using my pencil. I'm blending it with my finger. And now I'm using my brown color pencil in its ear. I'm using the same brown color in its hand. And body. In its nose, I'm using red color. And for the frame of his glasses, I'm using cyan. And for the glass, I'm using blue. Inside its ear, I'm using a pale orange color. I'm using the same pale orange color in its belly. And for the rest, I'm using a pale orange color pencil. A little bit of brown. Wow, he is looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.